Have you ever wondered how animals survive in the wild? How they adapt to their surroundings? In the vast expanse of our planet, each creature, big or small, has its unique way to thrive. It's a world of adaptations, where survival isn't just about the fittest, but the most adaptable. Adaptations are not mere alterations, but are critical lifelines. They are an animal's secret weapon to outwit predators, find food, or simply endure the harshest of climates. These incredible transformations are nature's masterpieces, painting a vivid picture of life's resilience and creativity. From the depths of the ocean to the highest mountaintops, adaptations are the threads that weave the intricate tapestry of biodiversity. They are the silent stories of evolution, narrating tales of survival against all odds. Today we'll unveil the top 10 most remarkable animal adaptations. Are you ready to be amazed? Starting at number 10, we have the cuttlefish, the master of disguise. This extraordinary creature holds an impressive skill set that would make any secret agent jealous. With the power to alter its color and pattern in the blink of an eye, the cuttlefish seamlessly blends into its surroundings, becoming virtually invisible to the untrained eye. But the cuttlefish doesn't just use this talent for hiding. Oh no, it's far more cunning than that. Imagine being able to hypnotize your dinner before you eat it. Well, that's exactly what the cuttlefish does. By producing mesmerizing displays of light and color, it lures its prey into a trance before swiftly catching it. On the flip side, this ability also serves as a brilliant defense mechanism. The moment a predator comes too close, the cuttlefish shifts its appearance, confusing its pursuer and making a swift escape. Isn't it fascinating how the cuttlefish deceives its predators and prey? At number 9, we have the starfish with its extraordinary regenerative powers. This isn't just a fascinating party trick. It's an incredible adaptation that helps starfish survive in the cutthroat world of the ocean. You see, starfish have the ability to regenerate or grow back their lost arms. This can come in handy when a predator has a grip on one of their limbs. Instead of fighting back, the starfish simply lets the arm go and slinks away to safety. But here's the real kicker. Not only does the starfish grow a new arm, but the detached limb can sometimes grow an entirely new starfish. Talk about a 2-for-1 deal. This regenerative ability is due to the starfish's complex and specialized internal structure. The starfish's arms contain most of its vital organs, so when an arm is lost, it still has all it needs to survive and grow. Imagine if we could grow back our limbs like starfish do. Coming in at number 8, we have the wood frog, which takes winter survival to another level. This fascinating creature has the astounding ability to freeze solid during the harsh winter months. That's right. The wood frog's heart stops beating, its breathing ceases, and its body becomes as stiff as a popsicle. But don't be too alarmed, because as soon as spring arrives, something miraculous happens. The wood frog's internal antifreeze, a high concentration of glucose in its vital organs, protects these organs from damage while the rest of the body freezes. When the warmth of spring touches the frozen frog, it thaws, and its heart and lungs resume their functions as if winter never happened. This remarkable adaptation allows the wood frog to survive in climates that would be deadly for many other species. The wood frog truly redefines what it means to be cold-blooded. At number 7, we have the mockingbird, a master mimic. The mockingbird is an avian virtuoso, capable of imitating the songs of numerous other bird species. This unique adaptation isn't just for show, it serves a functional purpose in the bird's daily life. By mimicking the songs and calls of other birds, the mockingbird can communicate across species, ward off potential predators, and even attract mates. This fascinating adaptation also helps the mockingbird protect its territory. When a mockingbird mimics the call of a bird of prey, it can cause smaller birds to flee, thereby reducing competition for resources within its territory. In addition to mimicking other birds, mockingbirds have been known to mimic other sounds they hear in their environment, such as car alarms or cell phone ringtones. This adaptability to their auditory surroundings further showcases their exceptional mimicry skills. The mockingbird is truly the world's greatest feathered impersonator. At number 6, we have the flying squirrel, the daredevil of the animal kingdom. This small but mighty creature has adapted a unique way to traverse its environment. Instead of traditional flight, the flying squirrel takes a leap of faith, spreading its body wide to catch the air and glide. This is made possible by a stretchy skin membrane extending from their wrists to their ankles, creating a parachute-like surface. This remarkable adaptation is not just for fun, it's a crucial survival strategy. Gliding allows them to escape predators in a flash, darting through the air at speeds that would leave most earthbound creatures in the dust. It's not just about speed, though. These squirrels can expertly navigate mid-air, making sharp turns and even upward ascents to reach their destination. The flying squirrel shows us that you don't need wings to fly. It's about using what you've got, and in this case, a skin suit is all the equipment needed for an aerial escape. Coming in at number 5, we have the electric eel, nature's living battery. This creature, despite its name, isn't actually an eel but a type of knife fish. The electric eel's unique adaptation lies in its ability to generate electrical shocks, which it uses for both hunting and self-defense. Imagine swimming in the murky waters of the Amazon, sensing your environment through electric fields. That's the world of the electric eel. It can emit low-level charges to navigate and locate prey in the dark, muddy waters. When it comes to hunting or defending itself, the electric eel can generate a shock of up to 600 volts, enough to stun a human or even a horse. This creature has 3 types of electric organs, which make up about 4/5 of its body. These organs allow the eel to produce 2 types of electric organ discharges, low voltage and high voltage. The electric eel truly gives the phrase shock and awe a whole new meaning. At number 4, we have the immortal jellyfish, the only creature known to live forever. Now, you might say, hold on a minute. Live forever? Really? Yes, indeed. The immortal jellyfish, or Turritopsis dohrnii as it's scientifically known, has a trick up its sleeve. When faced with stress or physical harm, it can revert its cells back to a polyp state, its earliest life cycle stage. Think of it as a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar, then blossoming into a butterfly again. This process of transformation, known as transdifferentiation, allows the jellyfish to essentially hit the reset button on its life cycle, effectively granting it immortality under natural conditions. However, it's not invincible. The immortal jellyfish often falls prey to predators or disease, but in the absence of such threats, it could theoretically live on indefinitely. The immortal jellyfish challenges our understanding of life and death. It's a fascinating peek into the sheer diversity of life's survival strategies in our incredible world. At number 3, we have the tardigrade, the toughest creature on Earth. You may know this microscopic creature by its more endearing name, the water bear. But don't let its size fool you. Tardigrades are astonishingly resilient, capable of surviving in extreme conditions that would be lethal to most other life forms. They can endure temperatures as low as absolute zero and as high as 300 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the boiling point of water and colder than the depths of outer space. Speaking of space, tardigrades can even survive in the vacuum of it. How about that for a creature that's less than a millimeter long? But what's truly remarkable is their ability to withstand extreme pressures, both high and low. Whether it's the crushing depths of the ocean or the thin air at the edge of the Earth's atmosphere, the tardigrade takes it all in stride. The tardigrade reminds us that life can thrive even in the harshest conditions. At number 2, we have the bat, nature's own sonar system. This fascinating creature, shrouded in mystery and often misunderstood, has developed an extraordinary adaptation, echolocation. As the sun sets and darkness blankets the world, the bat awakens and takes to the sky. But how does it navigate through this inky blackness? The answer lies in its unique ability to see using sound. Much like a submarine uses sonar, bats emit high-frequency sounds that bounce off objects in their path, creating echoes. By listening to these echoes, bats can determine the location, size, and even the texture of objects around them. This enables them to swoop and dive with incredible precision, hunting for insects even in total darkness. This phenomenal ability has not only ensured their survival but has also inspired technological advancements in our human world. From radar systems to helping the visually impaired, the echolocation of bats continues to intrigue and amaze. The bat truly shows us that there's more than one way to see the world. And finally, at number 1, we have the most adaptable creature of all, the human. From the icy tundras of the Arctic to the arid deserts of the Sahara, humans have shown an incredible ability to thrive in vastly different environments. This adaptability extends beyond physical climates to social and situational climates as well. We've built societies in the harshest conditions, developed technologies to overcome obstacles, and learned to work together for the common good. What sets us apart from other species is not just our ability to survive, but our capacity to learn, invent, and innovate. We don't just adapt to our surroundings, we change them to suit our needs. We are the architects of our own destiny, shaping the world around us. This capacity for change, for adaptation, has made us the dominant species on the planet. The human proves that the most powerful adaptation of all is the ability to adapt ourselves.